Blessings, blessings. Welcome to the beautiful island of Jamaica with another commenting, another vlog. Everything is everything. Everything Irie man. Yeah man. Welcome back to the boss with another vlog, another video, and another update on this Sean Patterson saga that have everybody, even New York Post, have it up now. So you know, say yes, this gone big in America, but I want them change the narrative and not just say the man from the criminal from UK or whatever. You know, if you talking job, boy, may I tell you them people I can paint some picture on Jamaica make it look bad. But yeah, we are our own enemy because we not live good against one another. So please, I'm asking you like, leave a comment on this video if you support the channel, okay? And join us 8:30 every night where we talk about things like this and live stream, personal opinion, etc. Alright, let's get into it. I posted a video yesterday. Little did I know that Sean Patterson, father, saw the video that I posted. Alright, so this is what he wrote. You know what? I'm going to work with the word allegedly. Allegedly, Sean Patterson. Because the name on this comment is Leslie Wright. But based on how this person talk, only can comprehend with me. I'm going to read it. I'm going to put some of it on the screen so you understand what going on. Alright, so only can watch back the video yesterday and go in and look on the comment. This look like it is him, but the name is Leslie Wright. So I can read what Leslie Wright say. Due to the major news, £300 to blow you away. Please look at his firearm record and tell Jamaica tie gun dipstick. Sometime Sean can amaze me. He's always been the cute one of my four. He's the baby mommy. A boy who drove me nuts. Almost lost him £4. He's 50% deaf. Alright? But he's listen and change. You break down when you see them in jail. Don't give up on the gift God gave you. Keep going, keep talking, keep praying. I've been through hell and now he's about to marry. This is a living hell. I don't. Okay, so the father said he got through hell. So finally the father talking about things because he break down when you see them in jail. Alright? Don't give up on the gift God gave you. Keep going, keep talking, keep praying. I've been through hell and now he's about to marry. This is a living hell. Yeah, so I know you feel, sir, I understand your feelings and, you know, things it planned. Yes, I saw it in the New York Post that he was about to get married in a couple months or weeks or whatever. But this is the part now, guys. Buckle up your seatbelt and listen to this part. Okay, if you don't believe a lie, go up on the video that I posted yesterday. I'm going to leave a description in the comment and you can click look for Leslie Wright. Alright, so maybe that's his YouTube name, but listen to this now. This is where you get interested. Yes, Sean is my son. He was slaughtered. He was brought to Jamaica to be slaughtered. They couldn't do it in England. It's to do with an incident in Bush Green. He didn't send Shabba to prison, but Shabba is mate with the killer who put out this contract £300 to blow my beautiful green eye baby. Wow, my beautiful green eye baby away. We will bury him in the church he was due to marry. Oh my God, that is so oh my God, that is so wow. Oh my God, the part that kinda, you know, kinda feel it. But when I get in more at the article, in with long-term girlfriend, not gonna call her name, Sean was given a flat in the White City estate. Let bad people into his home. Sean has taken drugs and charge. Things got bad. The lad tried to stab Sean. Police made it worse. Stupid IDIOT buys a toy gun. I'll scare them. He got arrested due to the toy gun. Okay? Remember now, this is alleged writing from alleged father. Based on all of this information, it's so, you know, but then again, it can be somebody who close to the family who have known what taking place and just putting it out there. But he captioned it as if it is indeed his son. Alright, so we could get back down in the article now. Then he got arrested due to the toy gun. And how he was moving to Liverpool, he got probation. I've been through hell and back, but so how the father did make it sound like say him not have a clue what go on. When the media, you see, these are the things I'm not like, you know. Unless I go put myself in his shoes. Maybe when the news reporter then come in, maybe make it sound like say, yes, Sean was a good art. In his eyes, Sean is a good lad. Cause you know, I'm son, so you don't know. I'm not here to bashing him and I'm not bashing the family. I'm just reading what this person wrote on my comment section, alleging that he is the father of Sean Patterson. Alright, so let me get back to the Liverpool. He got probation. I've been through hell back and forth, but he's loved by us. All violence, he will defend himself and friends. Thought they have fabulous time. My best friend Elizabeth, grandson Shane, and my beautiful son Sean. You want him to look SHI for tourism. He's worldwide. He was going to meet his Patterson family. Okay, so I come out here. Okay, so I was planning to meet the family out here. Patterson family. I'd hope you'd meet Prime Minister PJ Patterson. Tell him I'm come good and getting married 13 years. I have been wanting for grandchildren. I don't want our children killed. 20 from Sean got shot. 5 shooting a day. You're as big as our Manchester, Jamaica. Okay, so he's trying to say our Jamaica is big as Manchester. Okay? Alright, so Jamaica 2.8 million people, over 1,500 murders, more than 200 children. You're the second biggest killer for murder, 150 miles long by 50 miles wide. London, 12 million, maybe 100 murders per year. Wow, okay, but we never kill a tourist. I understand what you said, Daddy. And this is it. We never kill a tourist. But this time, this tourist get caught up in some mix-up. And I said this and I'm saying it again. If you no mix up in a pasa, baga, you know, nobody na trouble you. Check our records in Jamaica. I'm defending Jamaica now. We not just go around and shoot and kill tourists. We not do them the something there. Unless we crazy. If you check it, stats for the year, maybe 1, 3 or 4 might get, you understand, differently. But we not do them something there. Me never hear of none for 2023. I might be wrong, but me I tell you. Okay? So I understand the frustration where you're right there, kill a tourist. You never below 5 and murder this huge world. You're a tiny island. My son file is shelved. Yep, 20 more from the slaughtered, my boy. Lucky if he had needed treatment. Insurance policy, worthless. It must be cash. They haven't got what's needed. Poverty stricken place. I cried when I took eldest for his birthday. Meet family, see the land he's got. Sean didn't get to do that. Okay. I cried to my son. Dean, I was in the shower. Gunshot, I whipped my hand, called Dean. Where are you? Gunshot fired. He didn't hear. He's away. Bring me breakfast. I stayed inside. Nobody was hurt. Amen. 10 days for a fear. Now my poor boy, whose face was shot off 12 bullets. Bang, 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 bang. Absolutely. Crying. Do not risk it. Jamaica ended our future. Killer Island. Tell people, not save lives. Help your people. They live in squalor. Makes them killers, animals. Oh, so you say living in squalor make them killers and animals. Yeah, so Mr. Leslie Wright, who alleged saying that he is Sean Patterson father. Well, sad. I can relate to you as a father, understand the frustration, but yeah. Just hope and pray for the best. I know nothing not gonna bring back your son, but you know, it's just life. So I want to big up everybody who listen to the video to this far and stay safe, stay blessed. But there's something that the father said in the post here where I really think about it. Them could get for kill him over England. So then, and this is the thing now. People think that Jamaica is an escape route for every little thing. You understand? You know what the best thing that this man could have been murdered and nobody not see who and it just get away. Just like that. The greatest thing, the police them do them work. So at least he will get some form of justice. Trust me, you're not going to be the first father who lose loved one. A whole heap in Jamaica lose it. You understand? Whole heap. And it's just the world. It happened worldwide. You understand? It happened worldwide. And it's sad to say this is how, you're planning for a wedding, and instead of the wedding, you're going to get a funeral. Jeez, can you imagine? Jeez, just imagine the amount of media outlet I got there at the funeral there. It's just getting out of hand. We just want the government clear up this mess and just done with it and make Jamaica can get a breather. Alright, big up on yourself. Thanks for listening. Bless up. When you hear the bird them, nature at it best. Bless up. One love. Peace.